Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Kartika Street. It's south of Kuta. As you know, this area usually is very busy people come to this street because in this area we have mall, we have a department store, we have art market, we have Wardeboom Park, and some shopping area, also the hotels. So if you want to know the real condition in Kartika Street in this month, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? You see in the right side, there is the art shop. Left side, stadium. Is it the cafe to see the movie or sport channel? Usually a lot of people right there. And today I will explore Kartika Street, and also I will explore art market in Kuta. Okay, usually that's a restaurant there. Seafood restaurant, but closed. Okay, you see left side at the front, there is Baba Gum. It's very famous actually. But today they close. So sad, isn't it? No business. And right side, Bali Garden Hotel. Also very quiet. You see the left side? There is Wardeboom Park. Yeah, it is Wardeboom Park. Some car parking right there. It means some people there. It's good. Okay, right side, there is big mall because Discovery Mall. This is the biggest mall in Kuta. And this mall is connecting to the ocean. So behind this mall, there is the ocean. So you can having lunch right there and enjoy the ocean. Also in the afternoon you can have the sunset right here. It's a very beautiful place. There is the hotel. Some car parking is good. Bali Rani left side hotel, also quiet. And right side, the Kartika, this big hotel here. I saw some car parking right there. That's good. Okay, you see the right side? There is an island hotel in Kuta. So you see some shop around here is closed, isn't it? Okay, right side, Dynasty Hotel. So this is the Kunyit Hotel in Kartika Street. Bintang Bali Hotel. And right side, there is Lipo Mall, Kartika. Just look so very quiet. It looks like no people there. Okay, so this is the condition at the moment in Kartika Street. And now I will explore art market in Kuta. You see the right side? There is some shops open. Happy to see that. And left side, lot of motorbike parking. It's good. Looks so busy around here, isn't it? Yeah, there's some shop open and some shop also closed. That's not bad. It's better than last month. Last month was almost all the art shop is closed. Well, look at that. It's good, isn't it? That is good. That is good. Happy to see that actually. Okay guys, so there is the condition at the moment in art market Kuta. Looks so busy. Better than last month. Okay, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.